ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद आर्तभाग ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 707। Siddhanti Mata was given that which is pravritti karanam, that cannot be nivritti karanam. And karma upasana will give you samsara, jnanam will give you moksha. Matantar was given some other thinking. Everything is nivritti karanam, sarvameva nivritti karanam. How? So he said, Sopan Arohana Nyaya, Prasad Arohana. Prasad, actually it should be Prasad, because in the third line from the bottom in Tika, Prasad Arohana should be Prasad Arohana. So on next page, Prasad Shabda is there. Prasad means Griham. Arohana is not for Prasad. Arohana is for Prasad. Sopana Arohana. Sopana Kramana. So that other Paksha says everything is Nivritti Karanam. Gradually, he gave Drashtanta, Swarga Kama Vakye, Dehatmatva Nivritti, Godohana Vakye, Swatantra Adhikara Nivritti, etc. Tika Phalitam Aha, last line in Tika. So what is the Phalitam? Iti ata advaitakshayat sarvam mrutyur dvaitakshayetu paramarthato mrutyoho aptim atimuchyate. Whatever is advaitakshayat sarvam mrutyuhu. See in Bhashya what is given? Advaitakshayat sarvam mrutyuhu. There ang is in which artha? Maryada. What is the sutra? Ang Maryada Vachane. Ang Maryada Vachane, in that ang here is excluding Dvaitakshaya. Means up to Dvaitakshaya, everything is Mrityu. When Dvaitakshaya happens, then that is Mrityoho Aptim Atimuchyate. Paramarthataha, there is Atimukti. Therefore, atasya apekshiki gauni mukti hi antarale. So, in between there is gauni mukti. Finally, it is paramarthataha mukti. Antaral means in between. In between it is gauni mukti. Tika. Yasmat purvam purvam parityajya uttaram uttaram pratipadyamanas tattan nivritti dwara mukti artham eva tattat pratipadyate. Purvam purvam parityajya uttaram uttaram pratipadyamana. By that nivritti he goes to next So some mukti is there. Mukti अर्थमेव तत्तत् प्रतिपद्यते. न तु तत्तत् पद प्राप्त्यर्थमेव वाक्यम पर्यवसितम. So according to this paksha, that tattad prapti artham eva vakyam na paryavasitam. Vakya paryavasanam means those vakya swarga kama godohana ityadi. It is for mukti artham, not for tattat pada prapti artham. Tasya antavatvena aphalatvat, because it is not real phalam, it is anityam, aphalatvat. तस्मात् द्वैतक्षय पर्यन्तं सर्वोपि फल विशेषो मृत्युग्रस्तत्वात् प्रासाद आरोहण न्यायेन मोक्षार्थो अवतिष्ठते. हिरण्यगर्भ पद प्राप्त्या द्वैतक्षये तु वस्तुतो मृत्योः आप्तिमतीत्य परमात्म रूपेण स्थितो मुक्तो भवति. तस्मात् therefore द्वैतक्षय पर्यन्तं until all द्वैतक्षय takes place, सर्वोपि फल विशेषो, all the फल विशेष मृत्युग्रस्तत्वात्, everything is मृत्युग्रस्त, मृत्युना ग्रस्तम. Any specific result other than Brahma is mrityugrastam. Prasada arohana nyayena, so gradually climbing to moksha pada, mokshartho avatisthate. How Hiranyagarbha pada praptya, then first Hiranyagarbha prapti, then Dvaitakshaye, vastutaha mrityoho aptim atitya, he becomes Brahma. Paramatma rupena sthito mukto bhavati. तथा च मनुष्य भावाद ऊर्ध्वम अर्वाक्च परमात्मा भावान मध्ये या तत्तद पद प्राप्ति ही सा खलु आपेक्षिकी सती गौणी मुक्तिर मुख्या तो पूर्वोक्ता एवं इत्यर्थः. सो इन बिटवीन मनुष्य भावाद ऊर्ध्वम अर्वाक्च, हायर टू मनुष्य भाव और बिलो anything below Paramatma Bhava, higher than Manushya, everything below Paramatma, and Madhye, in between, Ya Tattad Pada Prapti Hi, all of that is Apekshiki Mukti, that is Gauni, na Mukhya. Mukhya is Paramatma Bhava Prapti. Now Bhashyakar, सीएनटीका सर्वम एतद् उत्प्रेक्षणा मात्रेण आरचितम न तु बृहदारण्यकस्य श्रुत्यंतरस्य वा अर्थ इति दूषयति. दिस इज ऑल दिस दैट यू हैव सेड, दिस सेकंड मत, एतद् उत्प्रेक्षा मात्रेण आरचितम, दिस इज योर कल्पना, बाय योर कल्पना यू हैव क्रिएटेड दिस. दिस इज नॉट बृहदारण्यक मत, न तु बृहदारण्यकस्य, maybe not Brihadaranyaka, some other Shruti, na Shrutyantarasya va artha iti. This is not Shastriya Mata. This is your Kalpana. It sounds good. Sounds nice. So sometimes people love that, they want to give some new interpretation. And they want to show I have come out with something new. But so they should read such lines. It is all utprekshana matrena. See Bhagavan Bhashyakar. Sarvam etad evam abarhadaranyakam. What is the word? Abarhadaranyakam. This is not Barhadaranyaka. This is outside of Barhadaranyaka. It is Abarhadaranyakam. Purvapakshi says, if I say it is na Barhadaranyakam, you say everything is Barhadaranyaka. How? Sarva ekatva lakshano moksho bृहदारण्यकार्थ एव अस्माभिः उच्यते तत् कथम अस्मद् उक्तम अबारहदारण्यकम. Sarva ekatva lakshana, everything is one, that is moksha, that is बृहदारण्यकार्थ, that is what I am saying, eva अस्माभिः उच्यते. How do you say this is outside of बृहदारण्यक? इति शंकते ननु सर्व एकत्वम मोक्षः तस्मात् तत्सर्वम अभवत् इति श्रुते. अंगीकरोति, यस, पाढ़म. bhavati etadapi. That is true. But whenever Siddhanti says Badham means Ardhangena Angikarat. 50% you are right, but 50% you are wrong. And that other 50% is making the whole thing wrong. Bhavati angikritam amsham vishadayati. Yes, bhavati tadapi. That also is true. But natu grama kamo yajeta, pashu kamo yajeta, ityadi shrutinam tadarthyam. सीन टीका एतत् सर्व एकत्वम आरण्यकार्थो भवति अपि इति योजना एतत् सर्व एकत्वम आरण्यकार्थो भवति बृहदारण्यक दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल कथम तर्हि सर्वम एतद् अबारहदारण्यकम इति उक्तम एकत्वम इज देयर दैट वी डोंट डिनाय बट हाउ देन इट इज आउटसाइड ऑफ बृहदारण्यकम अत दिस ग्राम कामो यजेत पशु कामो यजेत दो श्रुतिस their earth see Purva Pakshi what did Siddhanti say? What is for pravritti is not karana for nivritti. What is for nivritti is not karana for pravritti. Purva Pakshi was trying to put it in this way that everything is gradually for nivritti only. One nivritti, then you go to next, then you go to next, like that. So everything is for nivritti. So Siddhanti, how he is putting it, Siddhanti says, where do we want moksha from? Samsara. Somewhere you have to show samsara. Problem you have to show. This grama, kamo, yajeta, pashu, kama, swarga, all of this is samsara. You have to show there is problem. From there is moksha. If you say everything is mukti only, then where will you show problem? त्वद उक्त रीत्या टीका कर्म श्रुति नाम यथोक्त मोक्षार्थत्वम न घटते त्वद उक्त रीत्या by the way in which you have shown karma shruti nam, these are karma shruti, grama kama, pashu kama, etc. Yathokta moksharthatvam is not there. There is no moksharthatvam. Tena sarvam etad outprekshikam. That's why all of this is your kalpana. Na shrautam iti uktam ityartha. That's why when somebody wants to give the meaning of some mantra, any Upanishad mantra or Gita shloka or something, entire Prasthanatrayi they should remember. Remember means keep in mind. Then they should give artha. That's why if any Acharya wanted to write any commentary or on any of these, they say first you complete Prasthanatrayi, then you write. So that you have the whole vision. You will not interpret something based on some limited knowledge. And then later when you see, oh, in Brahma Sutra something else is said and you get stuck. And in particular Brahma Sutra, because all those topics where there is doubt, where there is debate, those have become adhikarana for discussion. What is straightforward, one text you study Gita and you write Gita, nobody is going to question. Where there is debate, whether it is this way or that way, this word's meaning. And so when you study, then you will know that, yes, it is important to know these things. And to some extent, the Vyakarana also, because Matu Pratyaya is there or Bahuvrihi Samasa is there, what is there, it will vary, the whole meaning will change. कर्मश्रुतीनां मोक्षार्थत्व अभावं समर्थयते. कर्मश्रुति, they are not for moksha. How it is shown, यदि ही अद्वैतार्थत्वम एव आसाम ग्राम पशु स्वर्गादि अर्थत्वम नास्ति इति. ग्राम पशु स्वर्गादयो न गृह्येरन् गृह्यन्ते तु कर्म फल वैचित्र्य विशेषाः. यदि ही अद्वैतार्थत्वम एव आसाम. व्हाट इज आसाम? आसाम और नागालैंड, विच वन? हाँ, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, you have to answer. What is Assam?
Swamiji is Tasmat Tasam.
What is that?
Tasmat Tasam.
No, in Bhashya, yadi hi advaitarthatvam eva Assam. Okay, Tasam. What is Tasam?
Lang lakara.
Where is Tasam? Oh, Tika. Tasmat Tasam. No, why lakara? What is lang lakara? What does it say? Tasam?
I said Assam, Swamiji. Assam
Huh?
is lang lakara.
Assam is lang lakara. And Tasam is? No, Assam is Shashti Bahuvachana. Assam Shrutinam. Tasam Shrutinam. Shashti Bahuvachana. It's not lang lakara. It is definitely not Assam and nearby states. Assam Shrutinam Grama Pashu Swargadyarthatvam Nasti. If it is lang lakara, why do you need Nasti? Advaitarthatvam eva Assam Shrutinam Nasti. There, what is their artha? Grama Pashu Swargadi. If you say it is Advaita, then there is no Grama Pashu Swargadi Arthatvam. Because there is Grama Pashu Swargadi Arthatvam, therefore their artha is not Advaita. Grama Pashu Swargadayo na grihyera. If it was not Grama Pashu Swargadi Arthatvam, they would not be grihyeran, they would not be grasped or understood. But grihyante tu. By this Shruti, Karma Phala Vaichitriya is taken. That Karma Phala Vaichitriyam is called Samsara. See, Samsara by itself is Karma Phala Vaichitriya, where there is Dvaita. Somebody has more, somebody has less. Somebody is bigger, somebody is shorter. This is Karma Phala Vaichitriya. This is primary Samsara. In that we add our raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, that why somebody has more, why I have less, why we never question I have more. Only question is why I have more sorrow, why that person is. This is additional samsara. So, in order to become free from the Dvaita Prapancha, first I have to reduce at least my mental Dvaita Prapancha. Then I will be able to see Mithyatva of the Bahya Dvaita Prapancha. Karma Phala Vaichitriyam is called Samsara. Is Jagat. Karma Phala Vaichitriyam is Jagat. Sin Tika. Tasmat Tasam na Moksharthata. Tasam Kasam. Shrutina. Kaha te Shrutayaha. Grama Pashu Swargadi Arthaha. Kaha Shrutayaha. Tasam na Moksharthata. Kincha Samsaras Tavad Dharma Dharma Hetukas. Samsara is dharma dharma. This is dharma dharma. That is samsara. You do more dharma, you will get more. You do more adharma, you will get more dukkham. तौ च विधि निषेधाधीनौ तौ धर्माधर्मौ विधि निषेधाधीनौ तयोश्च तयोश्चेत् त्वदुक्तरीत्या मोक्षार्थत्वं तदा हेतु अभावात् संसार एव न स्यात्. See, if according to you that is for moksha, moksharthatvam, then where is samsara then? Hetu abhavat samsara eva na syat. What is the hetu for samsara? Dharma dharma. Dharma dharma will cause variety. In some variety, there will be more, there will be less. That is samsara. यदि च वैदिकानां कर्मणां तादर्थ्यमेव संसार एव न भविष्यत्. If वैदिकानां कर्मणां तादर्थ्यम means moksharthatvam, then samsara would not be there. So you have to show samsara somewhere, problems. Then you see, that's why once in a while, if you hear news and there is war, or you go to some hospital and there is this patient, that patient, then you see everything. Then our value for attending Brother Anneka regularly will increase. Once in a while, when we realize what is samsara, what is called problem, then we will put forth more effort. Otherwise, we will never. I think some channel is going on. Some Swami is talking. विधि निषेधयोर निवृत्ति द्वारा मुक्त्यर्थत्वे अपि विद्यादि ज्ञानात् अनुनिष्पादितो यह कर्म पदार्थस् तस्यायं स्वभावो यद उत कर्तारम अनर्थेन संयुनक्ति इति चोदयति. विधि निषेधयोर निवृत्ति द्वारा मुक्ति अर्थत्वे अपि, through vidhi and nishedha of them, nivritti dwara mukti arthatve api vidyadi jnana anunishpadito yah karma padartha. By performance of dharma and avoiding adharma, what you have accomplished, karma padartha, tasyayam swabhavo yad uta kartaram anarthena sanyunakti. See what is said in Tika. Yaha karma padartha. Karma padartha karma phala tasya ayam swabhavo yad uta kartaram anarthena sanyunakti. Means whatever is karma phala is anartha only. We don't understand every karma phala is anartha. Iti chodayati. Atha तादर्थ्ये अपि अनुनिष्पादित पदार्थ स्वभावः संसार इति चेत्. Bhashyakar says, तादर्थ्ये अपि, even if it is for moksha artha, अनुनिष्पादित पदार्थ स्वभावः, this पदार्थस्य स्वभावः संसार इति चेत्. So this is एकदेव टीका मोक्षार्थमपि कर्मकाण्डं संसारार्थं भवति इति सदृष्टान्तम् आह। मोक्षार्थमपि कर्मकाण्डं, कर्मकाण्ड is for moksha, but it can become for samsara. Means Purvapakshi or this Ekadeshi, whoever, is say that yes, karma kanda is still for mokshartha. Samsara there also, sansarartham bhavati. यथा च रूप दर्शनार्थ आलोके सर्वोपि तत्रस्थः प्रकाशते एव. If something is for rupa darshana, you want to see one object, let us say, you turn on the light, then what will happen? It will illumine everything, not only one object. So like that, karma is for moksha. As part of that, samsara is also there. Why don't you say this way? Rupa darshanartha aloke prakasha, if it is there for rupa, sarvo api tatrastha prakashate. Everything gets illuminated. Siddhanti pramana abhavena pariharati. Siddhanti says no. There is no pramana for your way of thinking. Na. After na, you can put comma. Na. Pramana nupapattehe. There is no pramana for this. Advaitarthatve vaidikanam karmanam vidya sahitanam anyasya anunishpaditatve pramana anupapattihi. Vaidika karma along with upasana. Vaidikanam karmanam vidya sahitanam anyasya anunishpaditatve, and therefore advaita artha, advaitarthatve anyasya anunishpaditatve. For anya, अन्यस्य 5 नंबर टिप्पणी अवांतर तात्पर्य विषयत्व. So मुख्य तात्पर्य is in Advaita. Avantar तात्पर्य is in Swarga, Grama, Pashu, Putra, ityadi. See, there is no pramana. That those mantras, they have both. Mukhya तात्पर्य in Advaita, but Avantar तात्पर्य in other phala, karma phala. Pramana anupapattihi. Tika तदेव व्यनक्ति अद्वैतार्थत्वा. अन्यस्य बंधस्य इति यावत्. अन्यस्य, टीकाकार से अन्यस्य बंधस्य, बंधस्य संसारस्य. How there is anupapatti means there is no avantara tatparya and mukhya tatparya. In this way, there are not two tatparyas in karma shruti. Anupapattim sphurayati na pratyaksham na anumanam ataeva cha na agamaha. There is no pratyaksha pramana for this, no anumana, and there is no agama pramana also. टीका कर्म श्रुति वाक्यस्य अवांतर तात्पर्यम यथा श्रुते अर्थे गृह्यते निवृत्ति द्वारा मुक्तौ तु महातात्पर्यम इति अंगीकृत्य शंका. So what Purva Pakshi is trying to say, कर्म श्रुति वाक्यस्य अवांतर तात्पर्यम यथा श्रुते अर्थे गृह्यते. So ग्राम काम पशु काम, that respective thing is what is where the avantara tatparya is, and there samsara will be there. Nivritti dwara muktau tu mahatatparya, and by eliminating all those things, mahatatparya is in mukti. So these are not completely opposed to Advaita Mata. all these matams, they are this Bhartru Prapancha Mata, Bhaskaracharya Mata, what we saw, Bheda Bhedavada, Vishishtadvaita, they are some form of, means Advaita they are not letting go, but they are adding some other ideas in there. Similarly, the Shuddhadvaita, they are also like this. They'll say Shuddhadvaita, but we don't include Maya. Our everything is just Brahma. How you don't ask? Just have Shraddha, faith. Shuddhadvaita. These, all of them will have some flaw, and somehow they will try to escape. But that's why if you read thoroughly the Mukhya Advaita Siddhanta, you will not lose the main idea. उभयम एकेन वाक्येन प्रदर्श्यत इति चेत् कुल्या प्रणयन लोकादिवत् प्रणयन आलोकादिवत् उभयम एकेन वाक्येन प्रदर्श्यते. Both are there. Avantara Tatparya is also there. Mahatatparya is also there. Both are done through one. How? See, in Tika, Kritrimaha Kshudraha Saritaha Kulyaha Tasam Pranayanam Shalyartham Paniyartham Achmaniyadi Arthancha Pradipascha Prasada Shobhartham Kruto गमनादि हेतुरपि भवति. वृक्षमूले च सेचनम अनेकार्थम तथा कर्मकांडम अनेकार्थम इति उपपादयति. So many examples are there. One is, let us say the river is there, not very big. Kritrimaha Kshudraha Saritaha. So water is gathered somewhere, and from there small, like rivulet they call, right? Small river kind of is created. Shudraha Saritaha. What is that for? It is for this giving water to the entire farm. That big farm is there everywhere. Water has to reach. Tasam pranayanam shalya artham. Pani artham. So you want to get water everywhere. It is for farming. That water, if it is good water, can you wash your face with that or not? Can you wash your hands with that or not? You can take bath also if needed. If you are tired, you are in the farm, you will use that water. So Mukhya Artha is to get the farm the drenched with the water, etc. Avantara is to use it for yourself. What is there? Many times people, when they are walking in the farm, right, or and they want to eat, and now you need water to drink. That water which is, you just put a cup, drink that water, sit down, eat something. That's what all farmers do. Or Pradipa. Pradipasya Prasada Shobhartham. The big houses are there. They have light, in their house. So much light is there, streets are light illuminated. People can walk there. Gamanartham, Gamanadi Hetu also it is there. So Mukhya Tatparya, Griha, Prasada Shobhartham. Avantara Tatparya, Gamanadi. Vrikshamule Sechanam. You put water in the root of the tree, it goes to the whole tree. It is for flower, leaves, fruits, strengthening the branches, moolam, everything. Purvapakshi thinks, why not Karma Kanda Shruti also I do this logic? Tatha Karma Kandam Anekartham. भाष्यकार से तन्नैवम्. No. In Shruti, if that is the Vakya Artha, then only that is the meaning. Just because you see in Laukika Jagat some such thing, you don't apply it in Shruti. See in Tika. Ekasya Vakyasya Yatha Shrutena Arthena Arthavatve Sambhavati Na Anyatra Tatparyam Kalpyam. One Vakya, Ekasya Vakyasya Yatha Shrutena Arthena Arthavatve Sambhavati. Yatha Shrutena Arthena, as the Shruti Artha is there. Like that, once that Sambhavati is Saptami. Na Anyatra Tatparyam Kalpyam. Sambhavati Sati. Na anyatra tatparyam kalpyam. Then elsewhere you should not have tatparya. Means one Shruti will have only one meaning. You know this, in Purana, etc., everything will have so many meaning, and the Kathakara, they love that somebody gave 10 meanings, I will give 15 meanings of the same Vakya, this way, that way. And they find joy in that. And somebody says 15. Next time you say, I will give pravachan, Bhagavat Mahapurana. I will make 15 into 16. I will add one more. ये अर्थ तो आपने बताया नहीं. You didn't give this meaning. He says in Veda it is not like that. One meaning only. One Shruti, one meaning. Na anyatra tatparyam kalpyam. Kalpaka abhavat, there is no kalpaka only. Kalpaka means pramana bhavat. Na cha tvad uktya ritya anekarthatva lakshano dharmo vakyasya ekasya upapadyate. Ekasya vakyasya anekarthatva lakshano dharmo na upapadyate. How you are saying that one vakya can have so many meanings? That is not possible. Arthaikatvat ekam vakyam iti nyayat. If they have one meaning, it is ekavakya only. Artha ekatvat ekam vakyam. Artha ekatvat is a Jaimini Sutra. 14 number tippani. Artha ekatvat ekam vakyam sakangsham chet vibhage syat iti. Ekavakyattvasya arthaikya prayuktatvat. Anekarthatve Vakya Bhedapatti. If you say Anekartha, there is Vakya Bheda. Vakya Bheda is dosha. In one Vakya, this meaning is also there, that meaning is also there. One karma will give only one phala. You cannot say this is for this phalam also and for this phalam also. Like if I am doing Gamana Kriya is the Desha Prapti or Sthana Prapti is the phala. If I say by that I will become full also in my stomach, I say no, for that you have to do another. On the way there is some shop, you sit down, eat, that is different. But that is different karma. It has different prayojana. Vakyasya anekarthatva abhave api tad arthasya karmano bandha mokshakhya anekarthatvam syat. Okay, Vakya doesn't have anekarthatva. Vakyasya anekarthatva abhave api. But tad arthasya karmano bandha mokshakhya anekarthatvam. That bandha and moksha, one karma can have anekarthatvam. Bandha also, moksha also. Syat iti आशंक्याः न च एकवाक्य गतस्य अर्थस्य प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति साधनत्वम अवगंतुम शक्यते. One sadhana is there one vakya, ek vakya gatasya arthasya, it is for pravritti also and nivritti. It is pravritti sadhanam also, nivritti sadhanam also. There is virodha. Where there is no virodha, that you can understand. But where there is virodha, definitely, like Pashu Shruti or Swarga Shruti, etc., they will give Swarga also and it will lead me to Moksha also. That is not possible. Paroktam Drashtantam Vigatayati. But Purva Pakshi said, I gave you 3 examples. What about them? Kulya Pranayana Alokadau Arthasya Pratyakshत्वाद Adosha. In Kulya Pranayana Aloka, in all of them, Arthasya Pratyakshत्वाद. There the phalam is Pratyaksham, therefore there is no dosha, adosha. Means there you can have Anekarthatvam. It is Pratyaksha only. Tippani number 1. Nahi drishter anupapannam. Nahi drishte anupapannam. Drishte anupapannam nahi nama iti nyaya. Nahi drishte anupapannam nama. Means if it is drishta, then it is not there, you cannot say. So your drashtanta is Vishama drashta. Now, Purva Pakshi has his own thing. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.